thank you for the invitation to speak to you today. Apparently I'm shorter than the other two. I am certainly no stranger to these meetings, and I've often addressed all of you that belong to Kingfisher County Republican Women in many capacities over the years. However, today I am here to speak with you as a candidate for Kingfisher County Associate District Judge. Many of you are familiar with my background and the involvement I have had with not only this organization but numerous organizations in Kingfisher County. Therefore, I will not dwell on this subject. As previously mentioned, I've practiced law for over 20 years. Prior to marrying Steve, I practiced in downtown Oklahoma City with a firm where we were involved in both civil and criminal cases. Since moving to Kingfisher, my experiences have been varied in different types of law, including municipal as a city attorney for Kingfisher and Loyal's town attorney. I've done trusts, probates, contracts, leases. I've done oil and gas, and I've done general civil cases, starting with just your general automobile accident to trucking law. I have handled child neglect cases, and I have protected the rights of children. My decision to fall for judge was not made in haste, but it involved much thought, consideration, and encouragement from people here in the county. As women, which most of you are in this room, we have characteristics that men do not possess. Most of you have reared children. We have been loving and nurturing parents. But at the same time, we know how to administer discipline. Women know how to balance the two. We have learned to love our children, but show no favoritism of one over another. We're great listeners, and we have intuitive skills to know we are being told the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Women are the anchor of the family. We keep everyone grounded. We are compassionate and fair in many decisions we make in everyday life. In fact, we make so many decisions in one day, we don't even know we're making these decisions. It's just inbred in us. We are problem solvers, and we're used to coming up with solutions to those problems. We're schedulers. We keep appointments. In other words, we make sure that things run smoothly and efficiently. In addition to these responsibilities, many of us have careers. Therefore, we wear many different hats all the time. All of this combined gives us a better perspective of people and of the world around us. In order to get all these things done every day, we are automatically managing time and constantly changing the way we do things so that it will be more efficient. In summary, having such varied duties as a woman, this gives us a truer picture of what life is all about. I know you're wondering why I'm talking about all the duties as a mother and a wife and as a person in a career. Many of these things are done by a good judge. They just come naturally for women. We don't have to work at it. The judge controls the scheduling and sequence of cases through the judicial system. As judge, I will make adjustments when necessary to make the process more efficient and to keep things moving. The majority of the time, the judge decides the case. As Dan said, it is the hardest thing, and it doesn't happen very often where you have a jury trial. Most people prefer to have a judge hear a trial. I, as judge, will naturally be fair and compassionate to all concerned. In our household, I've been a mother, a wife, a lawyer, a truck driver, a cook, a maid, a chauffeur, a combine driver, a gopher, and a tractor driver, to just name a few. Now, my son Kevin has taken over some of these duties as he's gotten older. I know I'm preaching to the choir. I know your duties as women are not all the same as mine, but they're just as important. Finally, I am here today to ask for your vote. At present, I do not have a robe in my closet, but I do have experience with a gavel. I welcome you to join my campaign to accomplish a common goal as with the Republican women we have done in the past. With your help, we can add a robe to my closet, and I will furnish the ham.